Ever wondered which is the world's heaviest snake? Enter the green anaconda, the most massive serpent of them all, hailing from the boa family. Native to South America, this colossal creature reigns supreme in weight, even over its cousin, the reticulated python. Imagine a snake growing to more than 29 feet, tipping the scales at over 550 pounds, and measuring more than a foot in diameter. And interestingly, the females outsize the males. Now that you know about the green anaconda, let's delve into its species. Anacondas aren't just green, we have different species too. Beyond the green giant, the International Union for Conservation of Nature lists 3 other anaconda species: the yellow, dark-spotted, and Bolivian. Each is unique and hails from South America, but none quite match the size of the green anaconda. A recent study has stirred the snake pit, suggesting that green anacondas are 2 genetically distinct species. Yes, the green anaconda family has a southern and a northern branch. So, we've got quite a variety in the anaconda family. Anacondas may be cumbersome on land, but they're sleek and stealthy in the water. Their natural habitats are the swamps, marshes, and slow-moving streams, primarily nestled within the tropical rainforests of the Amazon and Orinoco basins. Here, they are the undisputed masters of their domain, their eyes and nasal openings strategically positioned on top of their heads. This clever design allows them to lay in wait for their prey, nearly completely submerged and invisible in the murky depths. Now let's talk about their diet. They reach their monumental size on a diverse menu that includes wild pigs, deer, birds, turtles, capybara, caimans, and even the formidable jaguars. As non-venomous constrictors, anacondas employ a simple yet effective hunting method. They coil their muscular bodies around their captured prey and squeeze until the unfortunate creature asphyxiates. Their jaws, attached by stretchy ligaments, enable them to swallow their prey whole regardless of size. After such a big meal, these snakes can go weeks or months without food. From birth, baby anacondas are ready to swim and hunt. Indeed, anacondas are a testament to the survival of the fittest. Females retain their eggs and give birth to 2 to 3 dozen live young, each about 2 feet long. These baby anacondas, from the moment they enter the world, are equipped to survive in the wild, navigating the waters and hunting their own food. Their lifespan in the wild is about 10 years, a decade filled with stealthy hunting, growing, and contributing to the balance of nature. But as we all know, the survival of any species is not just about its individual capabilities. It's also about the health of the ecosystem it inhabits. Green anacondas, originally from South America, have spread to some Caribbean islands and even been spotted in Florida. This expansion indicates their adaptability but also underscores the importance of maintaining their native habitats. Despite their scary reputation, anacondas play a vital role in our ecosystem, and their conservation is key.